Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me Suma. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to, we are going to get ready together because I have gotten so many skincare video requests from you girls. So I thought I'll do it. So the reason I delayed it is because I have to know what really is working for me and what is not working for me when I'm talking to you about some products. So that's the reason, and today I'm going to show you my in-depth nighttime skincare routine. There is a big difference between morning routine and nighttime routine. So when it comes to nighttime skincare routine and the morning skincare routine, there is a big difference. In the nighttime you take utmost care of your skin, and the time when you sleep is the time when your skin regenerates more cells, gives you that glow, builds the collagen, improves the skin texture. All this happens in the night time, or the time when you take a sleep of 7 to 8 hours. So that is why your nighttime skincare routine is very much important, even if you wear makeup or do not wear makeup. But today I'm wearing full face of makeup to show you guys how I go from this to my full skincare routine, what I do in the night times. So let's just begin. So guys, I have been using these cotton pads, and these you get, how many do you get? So you get 50 cotton pads for 80 rupees. Let's just start off by removing the eyelashes. I'm wearing eyelashes here. So the lash glue is not that strong on my lashes as of now, but then if you apply very strong lash glue, always use some coconut oil to remove lashes and put them in their place. So to remove my makeup, I always use cotton pads, and the cotton pads are from Tulips, and this is a pack of 50. You get it for 80. For me, 80 is a bit on the higher end, but then these pads are of very good quality, and that's why I'm using. So now let's just start off, and this might be a surprise to you, but I do not use any kind of micellar waters or any makeup removers to remove makeup. I always use coconut oil. So the coconut oil I'm using is the Shesha coconut oil. This is the a cold pressed oil, and this oil is edible. Okay, so it means you can use it in your cooking, you can use to oil pull, you can do the oil pulling, you can do hair, scalp and body massage and whatnot. So this is a very good oil, and this is actually cooking oil, guys. So I usually use it for my hair and makeup removing. So I make sure my the pad is soaked in oil. I press it. You see how well how well the glitter also came off. So it's not always mandatory to use any kind of micellar waters. You can use coconut oil as well. So guys, I removed the eye makeup, so let's just move on to the face. So I'll use the other side. This is the one side of the pad. So I'm gonna take my coconut oil again and go on the face. So we removed all the makeup. So after removing the makeup with coconut oil, these days I've started using this Nalapamaradhi tailam. So Nalapamaradhi oil has the base oil as coconut oil, and it has additional Ayurvedic tailams in it, oils in it, and this is from Vaidyaratnam, and I got it in JNTU Road. So yeah, in Hyderabad JNTU Road there is this Ayurvedic shop near Forum Mall. Please check it, and that's where you find all Ayurvedic items. So this is the Nalapamaradhi oil, and it is of 200 ml and it retails for 145 rupees. So few people say that Nalapamaradhi oil doesn't suit all skin types, so make sure just use and see if it is suiting you. But then I'm just going to take a bit of it and massage my skin. And I have seen this Nalapamaradhi oil technique from Chinmay Sripada. She is actually having her own YouTube channel now, and before that as well she started sharing all her skincare routine secrets, and this is something which I have learned from her, and I think her tips are amazing. So this is something I've learned, and yeah, I incorporated in my routine. This is called double cleansing, and this is where we start the cleansing routine after removing the makeup. So you may have a doubt if oily skin people can use oil. Oil, any kind of skin you have, guys, oil is not going to do any kind of damage to your skin, except you're having cystic acne or pus forming acne and all that hormonal stuff. Except for that, your oils are never going to harm you. They improve the skin texture a lot. So yeah, incorporate oils in your routine. So now, using another cotton pad, I'm going to remove this oil from my skin. So if there is any other makeup that is there, it is going to melt with this oil. Any extra oil. So the next step in my routine is cleansing, face wash. So for face wash, I'm using the JustHerbs Skin Splash the Rehydrate Face Wash. So this contains certified organic cold pressed products in it, and it is SLS and paraben free. That means it doesn't have sulfates and sodium lauryl sulfate and all that stuff. And yeah, I've been using it since quite time now. So here I don't have the sink near me, so I'm using the water. I'm just going to So guys, we're done washing our face with face wash. So after this is done, I'm going to use a face scrub and a face exfoliator, and I use an exfoliator alternative days or once in 2 days. That wise I do not get more whiteheads. I am prone to whiteheads. I get whiteheads around my chin area and on my nose, which I do not like at all. So for that, I'm using the Aroma Essentials Almond Exfo. This is the almond exfoliator, and it says it is suitable to or normal to dry skin and exfoliates to polish away dead surface cells, leaving skin soft and glowing. So yes, so they say to use it twice a week, but I tend to use once in 3 days because of the whitehead problem I have. So I've taken some of it, and guys, the products all I'm using here are almost organic and handmade, so you can trust me with the suggestions, and it smells amazing. I'm just going to take some of it. So now let's go wash off this exfoliator. Do not rub your face, just dab the towel. So guys, we're done with exfoliating as well. Here our cleaning routine is done. So moving on, I'm going to use this Aroma Essentials Hydrating Mist. This is the mist, and I love their mist. I have used the lavender one before, and this one is the rose one. So I give a good mist on my skin and I let it soak in, so that I can go and move ahead with my other skincare steps. And my routine is usually Korean inspired, because I see the Korean skincare routine which has 10 steps, and I actually I started experimenting with the own products I have, like the mist, like the gels, like the exfoliators and all that. So that's the reason you'll see the layering technique which Koreans do, layering one after the other for supple skin, and I have been doing it for like 4 to 5 months now. So yes, we are done with experimenting, and this is what I'm doing like every day. So once we are done spraying our skin with some good mist, so after that I usually go with oils. So I have 2 oils with me. One is Kumkumadi Tailam. So this is the outer packaging actually, and this brand is called Vasu, and again it is a Kerala brand, originated brand, which makes skincare products, and I usually use this, or I also love using the BioBloom skincare face oil. This is age defining and radiance booster. I'm not into anti-aging as of now, but I mean, I'm 23 now, so I'm not into anti-aging, but then if you're someone with 30 plus or 27 plus, maybe you can use this. And this oil is amazing, guys. It has amazing properties in it and ingredients in it. I love using this oil, but it is just on a higher end side. It is for 1500 rupees, but then I got it in one of the Glamigo boxes, so that's a win-win situation. But then yes, so today I'm going to apply the Kumkumadi oil. So Kumkumadi oil retails for 270 rupees as well. You can get it online. Kama Ayurveda has this, or you can get it offline in the Ayurvedic stores. If you find good Ayurvedic stores, just go. I'm not talking about Patanjali Ayurvedic, I'm talking about other Ayurvedic stores. I'm going to take 3 drops of it and rub it on my skin. I mean, on my palms, and just pack it. So after applying oil, I take this French creme rosa. This is from Born Organics. Again, this is a very high, like, you know, a handmade and 100% organic brand. So this is a very rich cream, and it sinks in skin, like it looks like that Pond's cream, like, you know, the Pond's if you use Pond's, you understand. When you're using Pond's cream, it doesn't seem like getting into the skin, but this is so thick, but once you apply, it melts into your skin and gives you that hydration, like you feel the hydration. So I'm just going to take it. I take it very liberally and apply it. It sinks into the skin. So in this layering technique, your skin may look oily, you know, once you start layering one after the other, but no, do not worry, guys, get used to it, because you're not going to wake up to oily skin, but you'll wake up to very, very, very supple and hydrated skin. And there is one last step. So I have been loving this McCaffeine Neem Caffeine Glow Gel with Aloe Vera. Again, this is a very good organic brand. Most of its products are of coffee. That's what McCaffeine, the range is of caffeine. So I'm gonna take some of this gel and apply it. And all the products I'm using today are very, very, very much affordable, and everyone can do this. So 1 month, if you're a person, if you're a teenager, or I mean not a teenager, so if you're a college going person, or if you are that kind of a fresher in office or something like that, or whoever you might be, just try saving some money and go buy this, all these, whatever I show, they're good for you. I would go ahead and apply my lip balm as well, but this is how my skin looks with everything done. So let me tell you something. So whenever you're using coconut oil to remove makeup, what you're doing there is that you're as well as nourishing your lashes, and whenever you use coconut oil or castor oil on your lashes, they grow so long. The same with the eyebrows as well. So try using coconut oil, and I'm done with my skincare routine. Let me see how many steps I used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9 steps of skincare routine. This is how I do my skincare routine every day. So sometimes if I go out and if I'm late, I would skip some steps. I would just go wash my face and then remove my makeup, wash my face and apply a moisturizer. But then every day I follow this routine, because you need to take care of your skin health and body. If not now, then later part you're going to repent for that, which we do not want to do. We always want to have glowing skin. So this is my routine I follow, and I urge you all to go follow this routine. I really hope you like this in-depth routine. If If you liked it, do not forget to give me a big thumbs up, and also please comment down below your favorite step in your skincare routine or your favorite product. And one more thing, you might have seen me not using a toner. I am not used to using a toner. I do not use a toner, but in place of toners I sometimes use this face mist. So yes, please do not ask me in the comments why I didn't use toner. It's like every skincare routine for every person is different. It is different for me, it is different for you, and the products can differ as well. So yes, if you're having so much acne, I mean if you're having severe acne problems, please consult your dermatologist before using any product. Or if you're someone with very sensitive skin, also please consult your dermatologist before using anything. If you're rough skin like me, then you can use all the products. So yes, I shall see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, and I hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, and I'll come back with more skincare routines like this.